my dumpling look tough. You hear that? Hi, Wagwan, it's Lika. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then go ahead and press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post a video. So today I'm in Jamaica with my family. We're gonna be cooking. Make sure you follow their YouTube channel. It is
JJ Lifestyle TV, guys.
I'm gonna link it in the description box
Watch
below.
out the video, them guys.
All right, and then today we're going to be making callaloo and cooked dumpling or fried dumpling?
Cooked dumpling.
And cooked dumpling. So let's get started.
Yeah. Let's get into it, guys.
All right, come with some coke. Just look. Then cooking page. JJ Lifestyle TV. That's how chippy after we just have a washing.
Yes, good up callaloo. Put in your cock soup and thing in it.
Every time I cook callaloo, then chippy and send up it for me, so me just. Right now, they might show me of strippy. So right now, they might show me how to do it from scratch.
In Jamaica, this strippy, strippy in the matter. So guys, watch them off. Watch them. I get them wash. You know I wash off it chopping board. Yeah, take off everything, guys. So I'm gonna go get them wash.
Okay. Alright, guys, now we're going to wash off the callaloo, yeah?
Work on. Can't wait for the yin na them, man.
Yeah, so you know like what you use.
You want to fire some?
Time to the funny part. Look funny.
Yeah, go put on the pot.
Right. Alright, so let's go over this and put on the pot. You know, see a close stove where come Kyla.
Left it there, so. Aye. Okay. Alright. Actually, no play. Shots. I go for shots.
Oh yeah. Oh, me because alright guys, so now we're put on seasoning. This Maggi all-purpose seasoning. You know, we just we don't really measure things when we're at Jamaica. We just say yeah, that's enough what we need.
Jerk season. Make a jerk.
Ancestor tell we. Yeah, and now we're just putting a little bit of jerk seasoning.
The black pepper.
And now we're putting some black pepper.
Yeah. Get a stir now,
And then
guys.
we'll just
Yeah.
mix up a little bit.
Smell good already.
Smell good already, yes.
Mm.
Alright guys, we decided to bring the callaloo inside, and here I'm adding some cock soup just to add a little bit flavor, and this part is optional.
We're not gonna really do too much. Probably I try and make like about 10 dumplings. That's about it. You know we have dinner. This is just a what it wanna call it? Like we are run a boat. Just a run a boat.
Yes,
You
I run a
see?
quick board. Yeah. Yeah. Yes,
Alright,
guys.
so
So
we're not
that
really
is
put
it.
too much in it.
So she got throw the caramel. We no measure, guys. You don't have to measure. Should I go get the salt? And guys, we just all need the out here now. We're gonna put the flour inside. Yeah. Yeah. Dry off your hand. Stir it
What
up.
could be ugly one? Let me
Stir
take
it
a piece
up.
of what could be. Oh. So, no, sorry, and we are just stir it up little by little. If you're wondering, guys, yes, it's my first time I need flour. What a shame.
American life, man. Different.
Very good.
Mm-hmm. We'll go to go light together. Yeah. So I can't find this one then. Learning process. Right. What are you?
So for me, look so.
And
No, wait. Put your hands up together. Okay.
roll it. Roll it whole light.
Put your hand like it's so.
Yes.
Do it so.
So whole light becomes smooth.
And do so. Yeah, do so. So.
Yes. Then press out, yes. But it still want to roll some more.
I learn.
Yeah, make sure you can.
Money, make it tight.
Look, roll it like ball. Roll it like ball.
Tim, come now. Come.
Yes, come.
Yeah, come. Roll and press. Look. Put it. So this good right there, also?
Yeah, come wash your hand right here.
Yeah,
Mm.
man. Alright. And then feet the now.
Yeah.
You know when I bet you.
Yeah. Yeah, man, roll it now, yeah.
Roll it tight.
Alright, press it now. This one. You will get it. You will get it. Just have a practice.
We need all of the dumpling them. We had a special guest. She did so because she wanted to learn as well. But now we're just gonna put it in the water, but we're gonna do that inside. So we're gonna take them inside and put them in the water. All right.
Alright guys, so now I'm just putting the dumplings inside the pot and I'm gonna let this boil for about 15 to 20 minutes and then they should be ready.
Guys, this is it. And then we're just gonna have a taste tester and then that's just about it. It looks good. Yeah, you know what I say guys? He said my dumpling look tough. You hear that?
Not tough, kind of plastic bag a cutty.
Turn to the camera and tell them what you think.
Food a shot here.
Food a shot?
Yo.
Out of 10?
Don't bad.
Be honest, out of 10.
I give me 10.
I give me 10.
I give me 10.
Here you clap that clap.